If your Honor phone is hanging and lagging, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to fix the hanging and lagging problem on Honor phones. First, go to Settings. Go to Storage. Keep at least 5 to 8 GB of your storage free. If your mobile storage is full, remove the large video from your phone. Uninstall all your unused apps. Click on Display and Brightness. Click on Screen Resolution. Select Standard. Click on Screen Refresh Rate. Select Standard. Click on Battery. Click on Screen Refresh Rate. Disable Manage All automatically. Click About Phone. Click on the build number 7 times. Developer mode is now enabled. Now click on the System and Update. Click on Developer Options. Scroll down. Click on Windows Animation Scale. Select Animation Scale 0.5x. Click on the Transition Animation Scale. Select Animation Scale 0.5x. Click on the Animator Duration Scale. Select Animation Scale 0.5x. After doing all this, hopefully your problem will be resolved. Some tips for you. Always keep your phone updated. Don't play games while your phone is charging. Restart phone weekly. Avoid task killer apps. Don't fill storage completely.